Display size. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 6.6 inches. Oppo Reno8 4G is 6.43 inches. Display resolution. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 1080 into 2408 pixels, with 400 ppi density. Oppo Reno8 4G is 1080 into 2400 pixels with 409 ppi density. Display type. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is PLS LCD display. Oppo Reno8 4G is AMOLED display. Display protector. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Oppo Reno8 4G is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Operating system. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is Android 12, upgradable to Android 13, One UI 5. Oppo Reno8 4G is Android 13, ColorOS 13. Chipset. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G. Oppo Reno8 4G is MediaTek Helio G99. Processor. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is octa-core processor. Oppo Reno8 4G is octa-core processor. GPU. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is Adreno 610. Oppo Reno8 4G is Mali G57 MC2. RAM. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. Oppo Reno8 4G is 8GB. ROM. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 64GB and 128GB. Oppo Reno8 4G is 128GB and 256GB. Front camera. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 8MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Oppo Reno8 4G is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 50MP wide, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p video recordings. Oppo Reno8 4G is 100MP wide, 2MP microscope, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p video recordings. Connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Oppo Reno8 4G is GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Battery. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 5000 mAh battery, with 25W fast charging. Oppo Reno8 4G is 5000 mAh battery, with 33W fast charging. Market price. Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is 6GB by 128GB. Prices approximate 31,500 BDT. Oppo Reno8 4G is 8GB by 256GB. Price is approximate 33,000 BDT. Recommendation: Samsung Galaxy A23 4G is recommended for mid-end gaming, mid-end photography, and low-end videography. Oppo Reno8 4G is recommended for low-end gaming, mid-end photography, and low-end videography.